Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the front bumper on an Audi A4 B5. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface and the engine is off. Gather all necessary tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm wrench. Having a friend to help can also make the process much easier and safer. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear. Begin by carefully removing the front grille. This usually involves releasing several clips or screws. Next, if your car has fog lights, gently remove their covers and disconnect any electrical connectors. Then, move to the wheel wells. You'll find several screws or clips securing the bumper to the fender liners. Remove these on both sides. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic components. Now, look underneath the front of the car. There are typically a few bolts or screws securing the bottom edge of the bumper to the chassis. Remove these fasteners. Once all visible fasteners are gone, gently but firmly pull the bumper straight forward, away from the vehicle. It might be snug, so a little wiggling can help. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready to place the bumper on to prevent scratches. Reinstalling the bumper is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully align the bumper with its mounting points and gently push it into place. Reattach all the screws and bolts, working from the underside up to the grille area. Ensure all electrical connectors for your lights are securely reconnected. Double-check every connection to ensure everything is secure before driving. For more helpful tips, and to find the link for those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals, check out the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.